If you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Byflow. Guys, this amazing project you can start stacking now, you can start mining now through this project. So guys, first of all you can register your account, then you can start mining now. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video and I tell all detail how to log in now and how to sign up now and how to start mining and stacking now. You can see this earn up to 4% every day cloud mining service. You can start now, you can click here and see this. So first of all guys, you can sign up account, you can enter your username, then you can enter your email, enter your password, then you can enter your password, and then you can register account. So I register account now. So guys, you can check here my account registered. You can see this dashboard, top miners of cryptocurrency dashboard. You can see this protocol value, power use. You can see this, you can start mining now, stacking now. You can see this Litecoin, you can see this Doggy Coin, BTC, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Tron, TRX. You can see this XRP, Ethereum, BNB. So guys, you can select any network, then you can start stacking now. You can see this deposit now, how to deposit now. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. You can check here, you can choose currency now. You can see this, you can select any currency, then you can deposit now. You can see this you can minimum deposit 5 USDT RC20. You can see this all, you can see the USD BP20, BNB, Ethereum. Guys, you can deposit now and next you can start stacking and mine now. And next we discuss how to withdraw. You can click here and see this page is loading, so it's take time. Then you can see these pages open, you can withdraw now. So guys, you can choose your currency now. You can see Litecoin, Dogecoin. For example, I select Litecoin, then you can click here and enter your amount, then you can enter your wallet address, then you can withdraw now. Guys, you can reinvest now, then you can get profit now. Guys, if you have registered account, then you can get bonus 200. You can see this, I get bonus 200. You can see this, my level is 1. You can see this referral program, you can invite your friend. You can see this, you can exchange now. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. You can change now, you can choose currency now, Tron here, choose currency USDT RC20. Then you can enter your amount of Tron, then you can enter your amount of USDT RC20. Then you can exchange now. And next we discuss how to mine. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, it take time. Then you can see this page is open now, so you can wait now. Then you can see this page is open, how to mine. For new buyers, you can see this number 1, to make a deposit, please log in into your account. After signing up, you can get 200 for registration immediately, which you can use right away. Logging into your account to make a deposit. Guys, you can see we will discuss this how to deposit now. You can see this picture, you can register account. You can see this number 2, what do I do after I have made a deposit. You can click here and see this answer. You can see this all dashboard detail. We will discuss this, how can I earn by inviting friend. You can click here and see this detail. You can see this, how can I withdraw my earning. You can click here and see this, I discuss you how to withdraw now. Guys, you can invite your friend. You can click here and see this referral program. So page is loading, so it's take time. Then you can see this, your page is open now. You can see this, guys, you can copy link, then you can invite your friend, then you can earn now. You can see this all detail. And next we back to the home page and see these more details. Guys, you can see these levels. You can click here and see these levels of this project by flow. You can see this levels detail. It's almost money level. You can see it has 31 level. Guys, you can select any level, then you can start mining now. You can invest now and get profit now. And next we back to the home page. Guys, if you have already a registered account, then you can click here and log in account. You can enter your username or email, then you can enter your password, then you can log in now. And next you can see this small take cloud mining service. You can see this get 200 bonus. You can see this more detail discover decentralized cloud mining. You can see the decentralized platform. DeFi reduces counterparty risk and provided global accessibility, empowering miners worldwide to participate in a decentralized and efficient manner. More blockchain, purchase hashing power, and choose your favorite POS country to mine. We have no currencies to choose from. You can see these platform security is our priority. We do not collect your private valid data. All funds are located on your internal balance, available for withdraw anytime you need. You can see this, and next you can see this high APRS, earn up to 4% daily thanks to reliable operation of our equipment located in Spain, where the cost of electricity is available at a good price, making mining accessible and profit high. Now you can see, you can spot now if you have any problem, then you can contact now and see your solution. You can see this law risk, set your own rule. You choose how much and how long you are willing to invest. We provide the equipment, and as you can check here, calculate your profit. Now you can enter, you can choose currency. You can click here and choose currency. For example, I choose currency Dogecoin. Then you can enter your amount. Then you can see this investment period. Then you can click here and start mining now. You can get daily profit 2.0% total profit. You can check here. So guys, first of all, you can register account, then you can start mining now. And next you can see this mobile application. Guys, you can download this application byflow.io in Google Play Store. Download for Android, download for iOS. You can see this coming soon. And next you can see this affiliate program. Byflow affiliate program offer lucrative benefits from our loyal user, designed with two level. It ensures generous reward up to 6% from your friend deposit for inviting new user. Invite friends, earn more together. You can see this level 1 first level affiliate. You can see this level 2 second level affiliate. You can see this audited. Next you can see this join community. Guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project Twitter page. So guys, you can check here, Byflow official Twitter page is open. You can follow this. You can see this multi-chain cloud mining and stacking platform that allows to earn up to 4% daily in top US coins. You can see this. You can see this all post about this project. You can invite your friend, then you can get bonus now. You can see this retail. You can start invest stacking now. You can get investment, then you can get profit daily. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can check here Byflow chat official Telegram group chat. You can join this group. You can see these 291 members that join this group. You can see this information about this project. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see these facts. You can see this question detail. Next guys, we go to this project document detail. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. You can see this about Byflow, your next gen mining platform. You can see this all detail what set Byflow apart. You can see this advanced ASIC technology, daily profitability, flexible referral system, convenient profit calculator. You can see this expert team. You can see the all detail. And next we discuss roadmap. You can click here and see this roadmap open. Watch our progress here. Phase 1 initial development and launch 2022, conceptualization and planning, team formation, ASIC minor integration. Next you can see the phase 2 growth and expansion 2023, beta testing, partnership with energy provider, regulatory complaints. Guys, you can read carefully all it. Next you can see the phase 3 platform launch 2024, platform launch, referral program launch, profit calculator integration, customer support setup, mobile app development, additional POS coin, enhanced security measures, user education program, geographic expansion, community building, institutional collaboration. Next you can see this phase 4 on token launch 2025, token development, smart contract added, initial coin offering, token integration, exchange listing. And next you can see this what is cloud mining. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here all it is what is cloud mining, key point, understanding cloud mining, advantage of cloud mining, how cryptocurrency cloud mining works. You can see this all it is. Next we discuss why Byflow cloud mining. You can click here and see this Byflow cloud mining. Join most progressive cloud mining platform with mobile apps, easy to use, modern equipment, artificial intelligence, decentralized platform, more blockchain, platform security, high APRS support. You can see this. Next we discuss how to start cloud mining. You can see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this number 1 setup 1 step 1 sign up now, and step 2 make deposit. You can see this step 3 distribute the hashing power. You can see this step 4 enjoy, invite your friend. You can see this number 5, withdraw or invest your profit. And you can see this RTA. Next we discuss join cloud mining affiliate programs. You can click here and see this join now. Level 1 first level affiliate, level 2 second level affiliate, how to earn with the affiliate program. Number 1 login, number 2 go to the refer program page, number 3 click copy link and share it with your friend. You can see this alt. Next we discuss what is matic stacking. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, it's take time. So guys, you can see the matic stacking, what is polygon, matic token stacking in general, how matic stacking works. Number 1 validators and delegators. You can see number 2 stacking process, number 3 earning rewards. You can see these benefits of matic stacking. You can read carefully. Alternate. Next we discuss biflow matic stacking. You can click here and see this biflow matic stacking. What are the benefits of such an approach? Biflow team chose validator based on the, you can see this alternate. Next we discuss how to start matic stacking. You can click here and see this page is loading, so it's take time. Then you can see this page is open. How to start matic stacking. Number 3 three simple step to earn matic. Number 1 click connect wallet and confirm it to your wallet. Earn amount of matic you would like to stack and click stack. Number 3 confirm the transaction in your wallet, then you can earn 3% matic daily. How to withdraw matic, you can read carefully. Alternate. Next you can see this documentation. You can click here and see this documentation now. And next you can see this terms of us detail. You can see this page is loading and you can read it carefully. Detail about this project, term of us. You can see this detail. And next you can see this privacy and policy. You can click here and read it carefully about this project, privacy and policy. You can read it carefully. Detail. And next we back to the home page. And so guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.